In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a journal entry in Zoho Books. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus button. This is the Quick Create menu, where you can add different types of records. From there, under the General section, choose Journal Entry. Now you'll be taken to the journal entry form. Begin by entering the journal date. This should match the accounting period or the date you want the transaction to be recorded. If your workflow requires it, you can also enter a reverse journal date. This is optional, but it's useful when you want the entry to automatically reverse on a future date, such as at the beginning of the next accounting period. Next, review the journal number. Zoho Books may fill this in automatically, but you can edit it if your organization uses a specific numbering format. After that, enter a reference number. This helps link the entry to an internal record or supporting document, making it easier to track later. You can also add notes to explain the purpose of the journal entry. Clear notes are helpful for future review and can save time during reconciliation or audits. Once that's done, select the reporting method. You can choose accrual and cash, accrual only, or cash only, depending on how you want this entry to affect your reports. Then choose the currency for the journal entry, especially important if you work with multiple currencies. Now it's time to enter the actual accounting lines. In the first row, select the debit account and enter the debit amount. In the second row, select the credit account and enter the credit amount. Make sure the accounts you choose accurately reflect the transaction you're recording. Then add descriptions for each journal line so anyone reviewing the entry can quickly understand what each line represents. If needed, you can also add a contact, transaction type, and tax details. These fields are optional, but they can be useful for more detailed tracking and reporting, depending on your setup. Before saving, carefully verify that the total debit amount equals the total credit amount. This is an essential check, because the journal entry must stay balanced. When everything looks correct, click Save and Publish if the entry is final, or choose Save as Draft if you want to review it later before posting. Thanks for watching.